Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add presets in Premiere Pro. It's a super simple process, so let's get started. First, make sure you've downloaded the presets you want to use. You might find them in your Downloads folder or wherever you've chosen to save them on your computer. They will likely be in a zip file, so right-click on it and select Extract All. Then Extract. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find files with the extension .pfpreset. These are your preset files ready to be added into Premiere Pro. Now open Premiere Pro and head over to the Effects panel. With the Effects panel open, right-click on the Presets folder, and from the drop-down menu, select Import Presets. A file browser window will pop up. Navigate to the location where you unzipped the preset files earlier. Select the preset file you want to add and click Open. And that's it. Your new presets are now added to Premiere Pro, ready for you to use in your projects. You can find them listed under the Presets folder in the Effects panel. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.